I am such a sucker for adorable animals and the stories that accompany them. I mean, what is cuter than two different species becoming the best of friends? Here is a story that is sure to melt your hair. Meet a kangaroo named Anzac and a wombat named Peggy. They were both orphans and were recently rescued in Victoria, Australia. Here is their adorable story. Anzac and Peggy were both orphans. The rescuer brought them together right before they are supposed to be killed by predators. The rescuer decided to put the two together. Then they became best friends. Have you ever seen anything so cute? It looks like they are even posing for the pictures. More cuteness. They love to snuggle. Meet their other wallaby friend. The three best friends in the world.